In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate hinge inserts on this Ford Ranger. These will be located inside of your tailgate hinges. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is dislodge each of our side straps. Now when doing this, you want to make sure you're holding up on the tailgate a little bit. I just rested on my leg. Once you have no tension on your straps, we can continue with dislodging them from the body of the vehicle. You'll find that you have a locking tab. Use a flathead screwdriver or small prying device and carefully pry that locking tab away and slide this out of place. We'll give it a quick inspection and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Now that we've done the other side of the vehicle, we can take hold of the tailgate and we'll carefully start pulling it up and away diagonally from the passenger side first. As this lifts up, we can continue on with fully removing the tailgate from the vehicle. Set this aside. Now that we have the tailgate off of there, the next thing that you need to do is clean and inspect each side of the body of the vehicle where you have your hinges. Once you've done so, we'll continue on with installing our inserts. This one's very rusted. Check the other side here. If your hinges look like these right here, it's a good idea to just go ahead and replace them. Now that we've cleaned and inspected the hinges, let's have a look at the tailgate itself. Along each side, you should have those inserts. You can use a pick or small prying device. Go ahead and remove whatever's left in there. We'll give this a close inspection, wipe it out as necessary. Use a piece of sandpaper here. Now we can prepare to install our brand new insert. You want to find the insert that matches the side you're working on. For this side, I'll be sliding in this piece right here. Slide it in as far as you can until it's completely bottomed out. Once you've completed this side of the tailgate, do the same thing on the other side of the tailgate. That side will look a little bit different. Now on this side of the tailgate, you can tell that the bushing itself is shaped a little bit more like a U rather than a full circle. You want to make sure that the U is aligned with the bracket here. You can tell that the metal bracket does have a small slot as well. Go ahead and carefully pull this out of place. The next thing we'll do is clean and inspect the mounting point. You know what to do. Now let's get ready to install our other bushing here. You'll find that these came with two little washers here. Just go ahead and slide those into place. Now we can take the bushing and we'll slide it into place here. These two little ears will lock into place in that center hole. Before you press it in, make sure you're aligned. If you have it backwards, that's going to cause an issue. There we are. I'll just press that in. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Okay, at this point, we're ready to install the tailgate onto the hinges. Let's start with installing the driver's side first. We'll take this and slide it into place. Once we've done so, come down at an angle on that passenger side and we'll slide it into place over there as well. There we go. Let's get this side in here. At this point, we can continue on to each of our two straps. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Do the same on the other side of the vehicle. All right, let's test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.